Hey friends, this is Andy and today I'm sharing everything bagel chicken with a Greek yogurt dipping sauce. First, add the raw chicken breast to a baking dish and drizzle cooking oil over top. I used melted coconut oil. Next, sprinkle everything bagel seasoning over top of each chicken breast. Grab a pair of tongs and flip the chicken over to the other side and repeat the process, adding more cooking oil and sprinkling everything bagel seasoning. Bake the chicken at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes or until the chicken is no longer pink and juices run clear. To make the dressing, add plain Greek yogurt, lemon juice, green onion, everything bagel seasoning, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and mix together. Once the chicken is baked, let cool for 5 minutes, then transfer to a serving dish. Drizzle the yogurt sauce over top of the chicken breasts along with more chopped green onion. Serve this dish with rice or pasta and roasted veggies. For more easy, family-friendly recipes, visit my website at andyan.com.